facilities constantly up to code can be a challenge. While most tools have become more efficient over the years, aisle marking options haven't kept up. At any busy facility, clear, durable, and accurate aisle marking is critical to separating forklifts and other heavy equipment from human traffic. The Straightline 1000 represents an amazing leap in aisle marking technology from precision floor marking that delivers on all its promises. The Straightline 1000 was custom designed and manufactured by a professional painting contractor to automate this process. Traditional aisle marking methods require 2 people, applying the tape manually, often from their hands and knees. With a fully adjustable Straightline 1000, it takes only 1 person to do the job of 2, and the work progresses much faster. These efficiencies translate directly into cost savings for your maintenance budget. To get started, just load the Straightline with 6 rolls of standard 2-inch masking tape. Next, attach the chalk line to the anchor point on the machine and run it under the rear and front right side wheels to line it up. Walk off the desired length and snap the line. Prepare the tape for application by starting out a couple of feet behind the beginning of the chalk line. This allows the machine to compensate for tape placement and realign the tape to the exact specified line thickness. Rechecking the line thickness 2 to 3 feet into the process assures precision and minimizes lost time if the tape width needs to be corrected. All that's left is to align the built-in pointer with the center of your chalked line and apply the tape. Now go over the outlined area with a standard roller, applying precisely the quality and durability of paint that meets your specific needs. After the paint dries, remove the tape. You'll notice crisp, precise, and durable striping every time. The Straightline 1000 is also designed to restripe existing lines that have become worn or faded. Lower the pointer to the center of the existing line and simply adjust the offset pointer to guide along the outside edge. Push the Straightline 1000 to apply the tape as usual. Then, just paint the line and remove the tape for a quick and precise restriping job. All major components of the Straightline 1000 are crafted from high-quality, custom-treated steel, giving the machine added weight and stability. This sturdy construction, combined with the soft rubber wheels, ensures solid tape application to almost any surface. Equally important, it's one of the reasons we stand behind this product for life. If your facility uses OSHA safety tape to mark off temporary traffic aisles or boundaries, an optional 4-inch adapter allows you to use the same efficiency to apply temporary lines. Load the safety tape and guide the pointer down your center line. Fast, simple, and accurate. Because the Straightline 1000 is built simply and built to last, it will serve the aisle marking needs of your facility well into the future. You'll save real money the first time you use it, and with every application after that. We're sure you'll never go